Hi you guys, it's your girl Victoria and I'm back with another video. So before we get into this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Press that bell to receive notifications on when I'm posting, and let's get into the video. Alright you guys, so I know that I've been MIA. My bad for that. It's been a lot going on. I've been trying new things, new techniques, all kind of stuff like that, plus personal life mixed together. It just wasn't the time for me to film and put out stuff yet, but I am back with the videos and I'm gonna give you guys what you've been asking for. So as you can see on the screen, this is my Too Faced Born This Way foundation. It's supposed to be undetectable, medium to full coverage foundation, and oil free, which is good for me because I have the combination skin, which is dry but oily, and after foundation I really get oily in the T-zone. So I'm just gonna put this on, see if I like. If you'd like to see how I got this look, stay tuned and let's get into the video.
Young 7, make a splurge.
Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. I think it came out pretty good. I am a fan of this foundation. I feel like it's set perfect on my face. It isn't creasing right now, which is a plus because most of the foundation that I use, it does crease around the mouth, and I don't know if it's because I am using two brands that go together, which is the Too Faced foundation and the Too Faced setting powder, and I'm using this color in chestnut like I said before. I did use it once before, and I did feel like it oxidized. I don't know if it's because I had leftover makeup on my foundation brush, which was a different color, and it just changed the color or whatever the case may be, or it oxidized. It was one or the other, but this is what it looks like right now. It doesn't look like it's changing or getting darker. I feel like it's exact color, like it blends exactly with me, which is a good thing. So yeah, this looks like it'll be my new go-to foundation. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos. I do have this hair video coming up very soon, so stay tuned.